In this video, I will show you how to find a remote job on Indeed job. So just watch and follow this video till the end. So open your Indeed job and it's going to open directly on the home page where you can search for work. So just click here on find jobs, and when you click on it, here you have to add your job title. For example, I will say filmmaker, and here I will choose remote and click search. And right now I will find all the remote job that is available. So just you have to click on it, for example here, and from here you can work. And if you want to apply, click apply now, and that's all, guys. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in another tutorial.